This is the East Oak 30-inch digital electric smoker. This thing will smoke fast and even. It's got a side loader for your wood chip that will last 2 to 3 hours on one load. The user manual. Whoa. Alright, on the bottom, you got the 4 feet that are adjustable to make sure it's leveled. But look at that, you actually have wheels, so you can move it around easy. This is perfect for your backyard, perfect for us to take on the go. We're planning to take this to a park, use our portable power banks to power this thing. It's gonna be awesome. But this thing does need to be plugged in to power it up. It's an electric cooker. Here's the front of the cooker. Dun, dun, dun. Oh yeah, East Oak. Here's the latch to open it, right here. Boom, open up. Whoa, this thing is massive. What do we have inside? Whoa. Wow, look at that. This thing is massive. You have places for your racks right here. Oh wow, this is really spacious. Nice. Oh, you got the racks down here. Wow, you got 4 aluminum racks, and these are aluminum plated to prevent rusting. Sweet. Rack number 1. Rack number 2, rack number 3, rack number 4. Wow, look at all the food you can cook. This is perfect for a big family or even a small family with a lot of variety of food. This is sweet. And you can slow cook with even smoke from the wood chip, and one loading of the wood chip is good enough for 2 to 3 hours. Oh, yeah. This looks like the handle. I believe it's the handle. And right here. Oh, it looks good. It matches up. Take this out like this, right here. This one goes right here. Oh, we got these pieces here, and we have the power cord over here too. It does use a 3-prong power cord. Good amount of cord right there. Before we use all of this, we have to make sure to clean it. That's okay for us to put it on the ground right now. Ooh. Boom. Boom. Ooh, look at this. Oh, the smoker box is designed for wood chips. Do not use wood chunks or pellets. Never use charcoal inside the smoker or smoker box as it will cause fire. Lid must be used at all times. This is a lid right here. Put the wood chip in right there. You have a cover. Make sure the cover's on at all time. You have a large capacity for wood chip. One loading of the wood chip is good enough for 2 to 3 hours of smoking, and that's even smoking. The wood chip comes in on the side, so then that's the good thing because you don't have to worry about opening the oven when you are checking on the wood chip, even if you care, because this should last you 2 to 3 hours. But just in case you want to check the wood chip, you can without opening the oven, because if you open up the oven, you will lose the heat. So keep the oven closed. You got the wood chip right there, and you see how it heats up from underneath the wood chip, because that's the heating element right there. It will heat up and it will smoke the wood chip evenly. Love that. By the way, there's foam up here. Make sure you remove all the packaging foam before you start using it for sure. 30-inch electric smoker, East Oak. This is the water bowl right here. The water bowl right there. Drip pan, grease tray, cooking racks. This is where you put the handle with the 2 included screws. So we'll put the handle back there later. Down here, this is where you put the grease tray, and it collects the grease. Sweet. The chip on the side, wood chip, and the water bowl right here. Then you put the drip pan into the bracket on both sides of the smoker chamber. Right there. Boom! Everything fits in nicely. There's grooves for it to fit in right there. It doesn't go anywhere. There's grooves right there. It fits in really nicely, and then your rack goes on top like that. That's it. That's all there is to installing. Setting it up. Make sure you put the racks in the right place. I did it wrong earlier. You see right here? This edge right here, there is a slight curvature up. That one actually goes on the inside, and that's a feature because now it doesn't fall out. See? It stops it from falling out. Very cool feature. You have to lift up to slide it out. That is a nice feature. I installed it wrong. Let's fix it all. Here we go. Fix it. Turn it around. You see this edge goes on the inside. Just like that. Boom. Here we go. Another one. This one goes on the inside. Boom. Last one right here. This little edge here goes on the inside. Boom. Nice. So now these things don't fall out. I like it. Oh yeah. This is a latch right here. This one latches over here, and then when you pull on it, it'll pull this thing in with a little spring. That's a very cool solid locking mechanism like that. Boom. I like it. And then back here, this is where you have the 2 screws that are already pre-attached. We're gonna take out those screws and put in the handle right here so you can easily move this thing. Also, the power cord right here comes about back here. It has convenient access from back here. So it doesn't go out in the front, it goes out the back because it goes out right here. Nice. Let's grab a screwdriver and open this up right here. Super easy. 1 screw. 2 screws. Here's the handlebar. Couldn't be any easier. Let's go this one right here. Screw it back in. Screw this side in. Oh yeah, there we go. And our handle is now installed. Super easy. I can now move this on the go. Easy to move around. Perfect, right? Oh yeah. These are controls right here. Boom. All right, once you plug it in, power button. Oh, wow, look at that beautiful display. Sweet. You can set your temperature right here, 210, right there. More or less, that's so easy. That's degree Fahrenheit right there. Sweet. 140, 150, 160, 180. Wow, it goes up to 200, 210, 220, 230, 240, 250, 260, 270. So the most it can go to 275 right there. Solid. You have a timer, so you can adjust the timer setting, the hours and the minute. Like for example, you want to cook it for 2 hours and 30 minutes right there. And it's automatic. It will tell you if it's working. Boom. Now it's working. Now it's warming up. When it's done, with 2 hours 30 minutes, it'll keep warm. That's pretty much it. At the highest temperature right there, let's run it for 2 hours and 30 minutes. Hit the timer and boom, now it's working. And it'll get to that temperature for you. As it's working, it will tell you the current temperature is 69 degrees Fahrenheit right now. It'll start to warm up and it'll get to that temperature, and that's how you do it. Nice, awesome digital cooker right here from East Oak. Beautiful display right there. This thing is going to be awesome. Oh yeah. If you want to change the timer, you can change it all the way up to 10, 11, 12 hours. You can do 12 hours. That's solid. 12 hours is the maximum you can run it for. This thing is awesome. Again, when this thing runs, you can access a wood chip if you need to, and this wood chip is good enough to last about 2 to 3 hours on one load. Because the wood chip is on the side, you don't need to actually open the oven, and that keeps the heat inside so your food gets cooked faster and very evenly. So anyway, I'm gonna turn this off because there's no food inside right now, but we're gonna prepare some food. I can't wait to cook this thing. It's gonna be awesome. It's perfect for a celebration. It has a massive space, as you saw. Look at that massive space. It's hot inside, so be careful, but it's massive. Very big space to cook in, and because it's easy to clean, it's durable, and it's big enough for the whole family. And when we're done cooking, we can just wheel it away. Super easy right here. Boom, the East Oak right here.